Hi everyone, welcome to COBALT Crochet Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nautical knots cord. Today I am using a 5mm crochet hook, or size H, and I have category 3 or DK size yarn. You can use any yarn or a cording hook size for this project, but this is just what I'm using today. So start by making a slip knot. Slide it onto your hook, and I'm going to chain 2. Now I'm going to single crochet in the first chain that I made, which is the second chain for my hook. So I'll bring this closer. This V right here is the first chain for my hook. This V right here is the second. So I'm going to work one single crochet in the second chain for my hook. If you don't know any of these stitches, head on over to my channel, COBALT Crochet Tutorials, and I have tutorials on how to make all of these individual stitches. Now we're going to chain 2 again, and again in the second chain from our hook, work one single crochet. Keep repeating that, and that's all there is to it. So again I'm going to chain 2, work one single crochet in the second chain from my hook. You can see our nice little cord starting to form already, and it's got these beautiful delicate little bumps on the side. So again, chain 2, one single crochet in the second chain from your hook. Just keep repeating that as long as you want your nautical knots cord to be. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see more videos. Also check out my Instagram, COBALT Crochet, which is in the description box below. Have a great day!